But would it be a Sophie Chanel video without a hair flip? Huh? No. Did y'all see that? Oh no.
Now, is she worth it? Let me work it. Put my thing down, flip it, and reverse it.
Yeah, she is worth it, honey. What's up, sunshines? It's your Slay at Home mom, Sophie Chanel, and I'm back with another hair review. Yes, you guys, I am bringing you grown and sexy vibes, okay? Like, that's what she is giving. But before we get into all of that, let me go ahead and say a huge thank you over to Sam's Beauty for sending me over this unit from OUTRE today, because she is serving, honey. And I feel like she's not giving what, you know, like she's really giving on camera, like in real life, because I'm looking at myself in the mirror right here and I'm like, baby, she is it. If you want to see how I got into this unit, just briefly, this is more like a show and tell, not necessarily like a full tutorial. Stay tuned. Yes, we are back. I hope you saw what I did to get into this unit. I don't think I showed everything, so just in case I didn't, I went in, I cut the lace, I tinted just using my Fit Me powder just in the parting space, and I just added a little swoop here. Just kept it very, 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 very simple. And so today's unit, you guys, is from OUTRE. This is the style Laylyn, and I have her in the color 1B. I really love this color here. I always say this, that I get these dark colors and then I wish that I had gone back with like a lighter color. Same thing, but it's just something about a black though, you know, something about a black. But you can see that this is from their lace front collection. This is a lace front wig, so you don't get parting space, like you just get the part and that's it. And then along the edges you get a little, just a little bit of lace, which you saw previously. It says that it comes with natural baby hairs, that it is heat resistant fiber, safe up to 400 degrees. Yeah, so and here's an array of the different colors that you can get this unit in. Hopefully you can see that. Yes, and I will have the links down below where you can go and check out the other colors that are available, as well as the deets on where to purchase this unit. So let's just go ahead and jump right in. This will be a very brief video today. I would say the length of Laylyn, she's giving me about 12-inch vibes, 10-12 inches. I am loving the curls, y'all. I really wish that the camera was picking up what it's putting down. I don't think that it is. Just trust me, check out the pictures. If you're not following me on Instagram, check the pictures out there. I will have the pictures posted of this unit at the Sophie Chanel so you can really see what she's giving, because I just don't think that the video is doing it justice. But yes, again, the color I have is the 1B. This is more of a silky type textured unit. The hair is very soft. I was not getting any shedding, not too much tangling. I did hit some tangles, some snags here and there. Nothing major at all. What else can I say about this unit? It's not very dense. I feel like this unit could be moderate, like medium to moderately large head friendly. I didn't undo the straps. It's fitting snug, but it's not too tight. So I'm comfortable in this unit. What else can I say about this unit? Like, she is giving grown woman status. Like, I do see this being like an everyday like work wig or something. I will say, let me go back. This wig was not the most big head friendly. I forgot that the lace fell short over on this side. So it's right here on me. So just keep that in mind. I am 22.5 inches in diameter in terms of head circumference. So she's about there for me. Sorry, I'm having to adjust. Overall, I really enjoy this unit. I feel like this is something that you can throw on, very beginner friendly. Just kind of throw on and go. I'm not wearing a wig grip with this particular wig. I don't feel like it's needed. It feels secure. I'm not using any combs with this hair. Yeah, so overall, I love it. Let me know what you guys think. Again, check out the photos. I'll probably just put some in the video like throughout while I'm talking, just so you guys can see, because I just feel like I'm really not doing it justice. Maybe my lighting is just too dark, or you can't really see all of the body that is giving. But she's giving it. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, comment, subscribe, share this video. And yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.